Hey, hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we are at Bay Lough. Please see complete video, please watch till the end, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Please, there are a few kayaking shots, there are a few, time lapse. Please see this video till the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please see. मस्त वाटत आहे मित्रांनो. खूपच छान व्ह्यू आहे हा. मस्त वाटतंय. माझ्या मागे बघू शकता तुम्ही. चांगला डोंगर आहे. मस्त व्ह्यू आहे. जबरदस्त एकदम. पैसे वसूल. मित्रांनो, या व्ह्यूसाठी तर एक लाईक बनतोच. आपल्या चॅनलला प्लीज तुम्ही सपोर्ट करा. खूपच छान आहे हा व्ह्यू. खूपच जबरदस्त. So guys, this was amazing experience. So I visited this Lough Bay for kayaking. So I saw that ad on the Facebook. So it was overall good experience. I thought that it's just a place, where you'll do the kayaking, but it was like, at the start it was only me in the lake, and yeah, it was great experience. I will add that video. You'll see that how I was kayaking and how I was like, I can't explain that experience, so you had to experience it on your own. So which is the best experience, I would say, in the world. So please visit this place. This is Bay Lough, yeah, for kayaking, and even you can walk. I will add all video into the sections, so please see those. Thank you guys, and please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you, thanks guys. So I'm going to say bye bye to this place. So yeah, you can see it looks so nice, clean. Bye bye nature. Thanks for your, seriously, nature is the mother nature is everything, guys. Thank you.